This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. Situated on a nice corner lot, with a fenced yard and provides ample parking for all, this ranch-style home welcomes you with new finishes and a newer rehab throughout. The open floor plan is great for daily living, and it utilizes the space in an effective way. The granite counters and modern cabinet design will appeal to any peer. The primary bedroom offers a private half bath. The hall bathroom has a custom tile shower and will surely be a wow factor. All rooms are nicely sized, and storage is found throughout, closets and even a nice size attached garage. But don't forget the large shed outside as well. Less than $700 a year flood insurance. For more information, review the details below.